In a world where precision and versatility define success, Sublistar proudly presents the UV300VB UV Vision Belt Printer. A game-changing UV printing solution that combines high-definition results, intelligent features, and flexible material support. Equipped with Epson i1600 and i3200 printheads, the UV300VB delivers sharp, detailed images at up to 720 by 2400 dpi. Expect outstanding color accuracy and crisp definition with every print. Enhances print quality by expanding the color gamut and adding special functions, improving smoothness and light color transitions, reducing ink buildup in highlight areas, and minimizing graininess. Seamlessly integrates with the Hosen controller and Read software. User-friendly interface, powerful features, and efficient task management make your workflow faster and smoother. Engineered with a space-saving footprint, the UV300VB is ideal for small to medium-sized businesses, delivering top performance without taking up extra room. A 30 cm wide conveyor belt ensures steady material movement, enhancing both productivity and accuracy in flat material printing tasks. Advanced visual positioning system automatically aligns designs for pinpoint accuracy, even with irregular shapes or complex patterns. No more misalignment or reprints. Supports material thickness up to 10 cm with auto height adjustment, ensuring consistent, high-quality prints without head strikes or image distortion. Integrated low ink alerts help avoid interruptions by notifying you before ink runs out, keeping your workflow efficient and reliable. Laser sensors automatically detect material height and adjust the print head in real time, guaranteeing optimal print distance for maximum quality. Compatible with various printhead configurations, whether you need ultra-fine detail or high-speed output, you can customize to match your production demands. From custom awards and unique phone cases to mugs, keychains, even golf balls, the UV300VB meets the needs of industries like gifts, accessories, and promotional products. It's your one-stop solution for high-quality, personalized printing. More than just a printer, the UV300VB UV Vision Belt Printer is a complete, reliable, and professional-grade solution for the future of flat material printing. Choose precision. Choose flexibility. Choose Sublistar.